New up to technical feature, WhatsApp. Do you know? WhatsApp has opened a channel, Open the WhatsApp application, go to the status update section, click create channel. Then click next. Make sure you update the WhatsApp application first. Okay, let's go back to the status update. To continue creating the channel, click create channel. Click continue. Write your channel name here. Make sure to use a name that is short and easy to remember. Try to match your channel name to the niche you like and are good at. Enter a description of what channel you are creating in the description column. Try to describe your channel as detailed as possible. Before we click create a channel, let's look for an image. For the channel profile first, we open the gallery, select an image to represent the depiction of our channel. If so, we just click directly to create a channel. Now we have our own channel on WhatsApp. We will see what is here one by own so that we know more about the features of the channel we are creating. In the 3 dots in the top corner that we open, there are several ways to copy, share, and send the channel link that we have. And in the clips section, here we can find ways to share photos or videos. Okay bro, thank you for watching. I hope it's useful and don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you again.